Hello? Anybody out there? Oh, hey, Mama. I know I already ate. Could I have a little bit more?
No, honey, you had enough. You're going to eat a whole lot and poop, and we just got to steadily clean out your tank because you're eating way too much. Everybody feels sorry for you and gives you food.
Huh? That hurts my feelings. I'm turning my back on you.
That's not very nice of you. Turn around here. Bet you if I throw you a piece of food, you'd turn around, huh? Yeah. Shelly, come on. Hey, Shelly. Shelly. Are you going to play that game or are you going to play up here? Huh? Yep, I'm videoing you.
I'm not having it today. I'm over this mess. Make me feel bad about eating too much?
It's not that, Shelly. You just poop a lot. And you're getting very thick, and it's a small tank. You can't overgrow your tank.
Give me a bigger tank.
Shelly, don't be rude. All right, Shelly. I'll give you 3 more. 3 more. You ready?
I'm ready.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Could you at least show your face to the camera? Shelly? I don't want to see your backside. Show me your face.
I'll show you eating. That's what I'm doing. I'm eating. I'll show you my face in a minute.
Be nice, Shelly.
I am being nice. Have a good day. Oh yeah, my mom would like it if you'd like and subscribe. Later.
Hello, everyone. Just want to show y'all some of the goofy cats. That's Itsy, and I'm guessing Stripey Stripes. I can't really see his face, but I'm pretty sure it's Stripey Stripes, and he's nursing on Itsy, and Itsy's a boy, but Itsy is just such an attention hog, he doesn't mind. So he lets them pretend like they're nursing on him. And then Scrappy, he just comes walking around to get some attention. Say, I'm a sweet, beautiful boy. You want to show him your pretty eyes, Scrap? Scrappy, can you show me your eyes? Say, Mossy's eating ice cream. I scooped up some of the milky part of the ice cream and put it on there for him. Yeah, he's pretty rotten. He's one of my faves too. So, okay, everybody, now that we got Miss Attitude Shelly, her extra little snack this afternoon, I was going to come out and give the puppies a snack. Samson, you want a puppy snack? Say, did somebody say snack? Look what Mama's got. Yeah, I figured you'd come get it. Right here, baby, I dropped it. Look, there you go. Say, Lila's getting hers. You want yours, Samson? Here, buddy, here. I hate that you gotten so... Get it, pick it up. I hate that you gotten so shy and not wanting to eat or anything else. Pick up your snack, baby. So we're going to try this one more time. Good boy. Good boy. That's enough, Lila. It was a snack, not a meal. Say, did somebody say snack over here? Dozer's over here hanging out with the girls. He's so gentle when he takes anything out your hands. And then we're going to give Ginge hers. Ginge. And we're going to give Angel hers. Good job. Say, we got to get our puppy snacks with good puppies. And go see what the little piggy pigs are doing. I think they're taking a nap. I think I scared them and they jumped up. Come here, piggy pig. So we have to call you Piggy Pig till all our friends out there in YouTube land helps us name y'all. We got to get y'all named. Come on. Bet you if y'all thought we had food, you'd come running, huh? Guess we'll go see what the girls over here are doing. It's midday, so everybody's kind of laying around. Getting sun or getting shade. Hey, Miss Precious. Hey, baby. Hey, Gretel. Gretel. She said, I'm eating. Hey, Mom, leave me alone, please. Where's Miss Nana? Where's Mama? Oh, y'all smart. Hold on. They are smart, guys. Hold on a second. Look at this. They over here hiding in the shade. Hey, y'all are some smart little cookies, huh? Yep, let's see if we can get a better view. Hey, we trying to get some shade over here, Mama. It's hot. It's hot. Hey, beautiful. Hey, baby. Can we go see the boys now? I moved their waterer over here because it's got better shade at different parts of the day. Over where it was, it had no shade at all. So we just kind of moved it over here this morning and put it a little closer to this water hose until we change things up and run water lines and all. So we have to do that as we can afford. Right now we're just stretching hoses everywhere. We do have water lines on animals that's been here for a while. So we're going to try to give them the same, but it's going to take a little time. And then I'm going to show y'all I have a fake out right here. Where they used to have their water, I put a little food trough to fake them out when we try to get in the gate. We're just going to put a little tiny bit in there to distract them so that they can eat and not run out the gate. So we'll see how this works out tomorrow, if it works or not. Simon, you was hanging out with your bros? Oh, now you're going to act like you was hanging out with the girls the whole time. You miss your brothers? Yeah, I don't blame you, buddy. Let's see. Little Buck. Hey, Little Buck. Hey, buddy. Hey, what you doing out in the sun, huh? What you doing, buddy? Hey, handsome. And then we got, trying to think of his name. Sullivan. Goodness gracious. Sullivan is over there under the hay trough. And we got Gretel, Simon, and Molly coming over to see what I'm doing down here. See if I'm getting the boys anything that they didn't get. And Little Buck is sniffing pretty hard a while ago on Gretel, so. And on Molly. But that's your sister. You cannot do anything with Molly. Yeah, look at that face. Look at that face. Did you smell something you didn't like? Well, quit putting your nose there. You don't put your nose there, you won't get to smell. Watch this. Watch how funny. Watch, they're knocking each other over. You want to smell again and do that face for me? Look, there you go. Let's see if we can get that face. What's the matter? Look how you tearing up that fence, Badness. Oh, you again with the tongue hanging out, huh? It's the middle of the day. See, it don't matter. Guys are just like that, right? Don't matter what time of the day it is. Precious. Precious, you trying to get over there to your boyfriend? That's your boyfriend, huh? Yeah. She has picked him out as her boyfriend. She's turning around letting him smell, too. They're rotten to the core. Maybe I'll let you in there this evening, Precious, and you can hang out with them. Y'all are awfully curious. Look at that tongue. Can you see it? It's hilarious. Watch this. He's funny as heck. You gonna do crazy stuff today, Simon? Huh? Trying to get something crazy for y'all. Because he is hilarious. Go ahead, Simon. Do something funny. Not that. She's using the bathroom. Get your face out of there, goober. Yeah, see that face? You see that face? Look at it. That's hilarious. Well, you got to keep your face out of there, goober. I wouldn't go stick my face in behind where somebody just urinated. Crazy old thing. All right. I guess we'll take a walk and go see what the other critters are doing midday. All right, we'll see y'all in a little while. So now that y'all got your snack, you laying all out in the shade, huh, beautiful babies? Huh. I love you, Samson. I love you, Lila. I love y'all too, guys. Ginger, and Angel, and you two, Dozer. You know I love you, bro. Let's go see what the other critters are doing. Oh, Bootsy Boo and the roosters are just kind of hanging out. Let's go see where we can find Penelope. She's probably laid up somewhere sleeping. That's where she's at, guys. I'm trying to see if I can zoom in for you. See if y'all can see her, because I don't feel like walking in that mud. I was in there earlier cleaning. Penelope! We're not going to wake her. Zooming out. Not going to wake her. Then we got these guys over here just kind of hanging out in the corner till I disturbed them. Say hi. Hi. I know, you're fussing at me for disturbing your afternoon to late. Your little nap time, huh? Hey, Audie. Audie, you gonna do something crazy for me, Audie? Can you show them how crazy you could be, Audie, please? Come on, Audie. Do your little thing, Audie. Your little thing that makes us smile all the time. And this one over here is taking him a dust bath. The one that we still got a name. He's having him a dust bath, and he don't care who likes it. He don't care at all. Audie, where you going, buddy? And I've got a Twinkie down here. Hey, Penelope. Penelope. Hey, pretty girl. I didn't mean to disturb your nap. I did not. I love you. Just trying to show all your fans what y'all do midday. It's kind of hanging out. And then we got Twinkie right there. He's trying to see what we're doing over here. Those are decided to come back here and hang out by the fence. The back side of the fence. Audie, take off running for me, man. Wait a minute, Twinkie. I'll pay with you in a minute. Audie. I guess we're not going to get no Audie footage. He is one crazy chicken. Angel said, I want some attention. I do. Hey, baby girl. Hey, baby. Want to come inside for a little while? And Mama, bring you inside for a little while, okay? Just give me a minute. Twinkie has a really bad habit of walking in front of us. Has since he was a baby kitten. And we fuss at him and tell him, you're going to trip us. You're going to trip us. But he just wants to be so close to us, he don't care. Let's see if he'll do it as I walk off. Let's see. Let's see. See what I mean? He's like right in front of me. Let's see what the babies are doing midday. Y'all messed up your water already, you nasty little critters. We was hanging out Till y'all heard that door open, huh? Y'all's probably laying down. It's hot. You already ate, little piglets. I'll give you some in a little while, some more. We got Chiwi hanging out, eating. We got, oh, God bless you, Catitude and Baby Girl, say baby, in there. In the little house, just chilling out. And I think that Lovebug's fixing to join them. What Mama and Baby's doing? Just chilling out. Look at that little floppy-eared cuteness. Look at that baby. I'm definitely keeping that one. It's too cute not to keep. And we got Crankster sleeping under the elderberry tree, taking him an afternoon nap. And these roosters are just chilling out under the tree. And then Dingy Duck, they smart. Yeah, they smart. They in the shade. And then the chickens are just hanging out. And we got a broody mama. Let's see if I can open it. Hold on. Hello, Rango. Hello, beautiful. Are you a broody mama? So I got 2 eggs over there we'll pick up in a little bit. You have saddleback real bad. Red, he must like you a whole lot. We're going to have to take you out or take him out. Or take his spurs down a notch. This little thing here is Frida. She's turning her back to us. But she is a silky. Sometimes we let her go broody and have a just hatch them out, because she is a wonderful mama. She is just such a great attentive mom. She will not leave her eggs for nothing. She'll not leave them for nothing. And she'll sit with them and take care of her babies once they're born. So we like having the silky mamas lay, when we allow them to hatch out their own eggs. We like them the best for that. Gracie, what are you doing during the day? Come look for Mama, huh? Alright, it's Nina's turn to get a puppy snack. You want a puppy snack? Easy. No, sit. Easy. Easy. Up, get it. Good girl. You gonna stay out or go back in?
Puppy snack?
Ooh.
Come on, Nina. Come on, Nina.
You wanna throw her something? Dallas has been training Nina since she was just a little puppy and he was just a little lad to catch her and Samson's snacks in the air. So, watch this, guys.
Nina. Look. Hey. Nina. Oh, you missed.
Make her sit.
Sit. Sit. Sit.
Good girl.
Good job.
She tried.
Come on. You come inside. Come get Papa. Come on.
There she goes. Back in the house. Nina. Nina, are you the most rotten girl? You get to come in here and lay up on the sofa with your nasty self. You've been playing in the dirt today. You got nasty claws. Thank God we got this little blanket on the sofa. We'll shake it off and do it again tomorrow, huh? Good night. Say she likes laying on her little pillow at night. Just a little quick video of Nina. Good night, Nina. Good night, baby. I love you. I love my girl. Night-night. You want your blankie? Are you all tucked in for the night? Good night.